So here what I'm doing, as per usual, melting chocolate over the top of steam, but it just so happens that I'm doing it at the same time that I'm doing chicken soup, so I'm using the heat of the chicken soup to melt the chocolate. Just get your dates ready, a nice dish to put the dates on with the melted chocolate afterwards. Just a bit of greaseproof paper is going to go on that plate just to stop the dates and specifically the chocolate sticking to the plate, because it will stick on the plate unless you put this on. So all I'm going to do now is prepare the dates, just trim off these little bits at the end, open the date up, ready for the peanut butter. So next is our peanut butter. I like to use a organic peanut butter. This was the best one that I could find at the time from our local supermarket. What I like about this is you can see here it's got no palm oil, sugar or added salt, and when I open it you can actually see that it's, I mean I've mixed this, but when you buy your peanut butter, what you really want is the oil floating on the top, because then you know it's got natural healthy fats in it. So you don't be too fussy with this bit. But just get your peanut butter inside the dates. If at this stage you've got a little bit more time, you could actually put these in the fridge just to kind of harden up the peanut butter a little bit. So as you can see, the chocolate's melting quite nicely over the top of that chicken soup using that heat, and that's pretty much, as you can see, done. So you can see there they've just gone less squishy, so time to put the chocolate on them. You will get a little bit of the peanut butter that comes out and goes in with the chocolate, but it doesn't matter too much. Even that one, you can see that was pretty overflowing. And then we're going to pop that back in the fridge. And here we are, about 20 minutes, half an hour later.